here's how to edit your tool.dat file. So the tool.dat file is going to be the file that Create Tool looks at whenever you want to retrieve a tool from a library. So any custom tools that you've added to your library, or using the out-of-the-box tools, whatever it might be, you might want to change some of the settings without re-exporting those tools. So a really easy way is to just modify the tool.dat file. So I'm going to go ahead down to a file explorer, and then I'm going to go to my folder where I have all of my NX settings. So I'll go to my 2206, to my resources folder, library, tool, and then I'm going to use English. That's where my tools are. And then I'm going to edit the tool_database.dat file. If I double click it, this is going to be the file that contains all of the records for the tools. So in the beginning, it's going to set up and tell you exactly how it organizes the tools and basically the formatting of the file. If you continue scrolling down, you'll then begin to see some of your files. So here, each one of these data entries is going to be a tool that I've created and exported out. So here you can see the name that I called the tool. This is the name that is in the tool description field in Create Tool. Here you have the type of tool if you set that. Usually I just keep it with whatever is default. And then here you're going to have your tool number, your tool height, and your cutter comp values. Then you're going to start getting into diameter, flutes, flute length, things of that nature in all of these fields. Well, in this file, I could change this right here to be 14. Maybe every time I use this tool, it's always tool 14 and not 13, so I want to make a quick change. You can do that right here. And then all you have to do is say File Save, and those changes are set. And you never have to modify them again. Every time you go to Create Tool, retrieve that tool from the library, this will be 14 from there forward. So another easy way is if you had this same tool, but you had a 3-flute version for soft metal and then a 4-flute version for hard metal, you could simply just copy this whole line and then paste it and just come over here and change this 3 to a 4, and now you've duplicated your tool library to have a 3-flute version and a 4-flute version. It's very easy to modify this tool library here, but you do have to make sure that you keep these breaks here and keep this formatting exactly as it is. Otherwise, the file will break and it won't work at all, and you'll just get an error.